If you are watching this video and if you are a beginner in pocket option, then you are very lucky to find out this video, okay? Because this video is for absolutely beginner who are trying to do something in pocket option, trade binary options in pocket option. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can copy these kind of trades automatically into your pocket option account without you trading by yourself, okay? This is the simple thing that I'm going to show you, which can be extremely beneficial for you. So watch this video very carefully, and I ask only one thing in return from you. Please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. So firstly, I want you to notice few things in this trade result, okay? So I only make $200 trade in each trade, okay? That is the one thing that you need to remember. And here you can see in 17 May I have made 3 trades, in 16 May I have made 3 trades, in 15 May I have made 3 trades. So we only make 3 trades in one day, okay? $200 per trade and 3 trades in a day. That thing you remember properly, okay? Because that is going to be essential in upcoming time, so that you can understand how you can exactly copy my trades by using the social trading feature of pocket option. So now there is a link in the description of this YouTube video and also in the first comment below, okay? You can click on that link and you will be able to join my free Telegram channel. Once you join that free Telegram channel, you can see some of my past results which I have shared in that free Telegram channel, and you can follow the instructions that is given in that free Telegram channel. Once you follow that instructions, then you will be able to get my UID. And the UID is the thing that is needed to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account, okay? So once you get that UID, once you join my VIP copy trading channel and get that UID, then just log into your pocket option account and then click on social trading, and then click on here and click on search and paste that UID at here in this way. It's as simple as this, okay? And once you see a name appearing at here, now I want to repeat, okay? This is not my UID, okay? I'm showing you it as an example. Just click on that name that appears at here and you will see this kind of box. Now you just need to click on copy, okay? And you will see 4 boxes at here. So now what you need to do is, so I told you I make $200 per trade. Now you don't need to copy $200 per trade, okay? In your account, you can copy anywhere from $2 to $200. That's your choice, okay? So let's say 100% of my trade is equals to $200. That means if you copy 1%, then 1% of $200 is $2. So you will be copying my $2 per trade. Similarly, if you copy 2%, then you will be copying my $4 per trade, because 2% of $200 is $4, okay? Similarly, if you want to copy my $10 per trade, then you can put 5% at here. In this way, you need to remember that 1% is equals to $2. Whatever amount you put, double that amount you will be copying. Like 25% if you put, then you will be copying $50 per trade, okay? Now there are other 3 boxes. Now you don't need to make any changes to these 3 boxes, okay? Because those who are already copying me and who are already in my VIP copy trading channel, they have said that whenever they make some changes to the stop balance, minimum copy trade amount or max copy trade amount, then what happens, not all of my trades are copied in their account, okay? So that is a problem. So I suggest you to not touch anything at here. So let's say you have $1,000 at here and you only want to risk $500 in my copy trading. Now what you can do is you can withdraw that remaining $500 and only put $500 in this account to copy my trade, okay? And you, in that way, you don't need to put any stop balance at here. So now minimum copy trade amount 1 is fine, okay? Because I only make $200 per trade, so it is not necessary to make any changes at here. Now same thing goes to max copy trade amount, because I make $200 per trade. I don't make $400 per trade, $300 per trade. The max copy amount, trade amount is not necessary. You don't need to touch anything at here. Once you have finished setting up everything, just click on confirm and you will start to copy my trade automatically into your pocket option account, okay? Here we are not talking about getting signals and trading by yourself. That is not the thing, okay? Your trades will be automatically copied in your account. Whenever I make trade, then if I make profit, you will also make profit. If I make loss like this, you will also make loss in your account in that particular trade, okay? It is as simple as that.